Hello everyone and welcome to this training course for Word 2019 Advanced. My name's Deborah Ashby and I'm an IT trainer specialising in the design, delivery and facilitation of Microsoft courses, both online and in the classroom. And I've been in and around the IT industry for about 25 years now, and I've been an IT trainer since 2007. Now, I started my career on an IT help desk, helping people fix their documents and spreadsheets before transitioning into training. And a large part of my career has been spent working as a trainer in law firms. And as anyone who works in the legal industry will know, it is a very document-heavy environment. So I found myself using Word to a really high level every single day. So over the course of the years that I worked in this industry, I really got to understand how Word works, how it's used in the real world, how to troubleshoot long, complex documents, and I also picked up lots of tips and tricks to make producing documents much more efficient. Now, this training course is predominantly designed for people using Word 2019, either the standalone desktop version or the latest version available through Microsoft 365. I will say, however, there is a lot of crossover with older versions. So if you're using Word 2016 or maybe even Word 2013, you should still be able to follow through this training course without too many issues. But just be aware that there are some features available in Word 2019 that aren't available in those older versions. Now, this is an advanced Word training course, so I'm going to make a few assumptions. I'm going to assume that you have a working copy of Word 2019 on your PC or laptop. I'm also going to assume that you have a good understanding of basic Word functionality, either gained through everyday use or maybe from completing a Word for Beginners training course. And finally, I'm going to assume that you know the basic terminology used in Word. So terms such as ribbon, tab, group, right-click, dialog box, things like that. Now, this course is divided up into sections, and each section is related to a particular topic in Word. And what you'll find within that section is a number of different modules or lessons. And each module contains one demo video that's usually between 5 and 15 minutes long. You'll find all of the files that I use in these demo videos in the course files folder, so you can download those and follow along if you want to. And then at the end of each section, there is a practice exercise that will allow you to practice the skills that you've learned in the section. So with all that said, and without further ado, let's dive into our first module, where I'm going to run through with you where you can go to access help at any point during this course. Once again, my name is Deb. I'm really excited to get into this course with you. So all that's left to do is grab a drink and prepare to immerse yourself in the wonderful world of Word 2019.